Gramática nueva en la página 355. Página 355. 355. Using the verb deber, okay? Pause this, read through that, okay? And then we're going to practice with actividad 13, with activity 13. Okay, activity 13. The verb deber is used as a compound verb. You should, you ought to. So there has to be another verb behind it, okay? You ought to brush your teeth every day. You should study. So you're going to have, it's a compound verb, okay? We have other verbs in Spanish that are like that and that we have learned already. To be able to, poder. Puedo ir al baño. Remember when you wanted to go to the bathroom, you asked me, puedo ir. Puedo is the verb, compound ir, to go, okay? Puedo nadar, can I swim? Puedo hablar, may I talk? Okay, so there are other verbs that are compound as well. There is not just deber. In activity 13, me puedes ayudar, they're doing the verb poder. Estás organizando una cena y necesitas la ayuda de unos amigos. You're organizing a dinner and you need the help of some friends. Los llamas por teléfono. You call them by phone. ¿Qué dicen? What do they say? Example, Carmen. Salir para comprar el postre. To go out in order to buy dessert. Debo salir para comprar el postre. Should I go out in order to buy dessert? Sí, sal para comprar el postre. Yes, go in order to buy dessert. Por favor, please. Okay? Sal is the command, the positive to command for go out, for ir. Okay, it's one of those irregular ones. So number 1, Ana, ir a la tienda para comprar pan. Ana, to go to the store in order to buy bread. So Ana would say, debo ir a la tienda para comprar pan. Should I go to the store to buy bread? Sí, ve a la tienda para comprar pan. Yes, go to the store in order to buy bread. Número 2. Remember, stop these at points where you want to answer before I answer. That way you get some practice, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to conjugate deber with whatever verb they're giving you, and then you're going to make that into a command for your second one, telling them to go do it, okay? So número 2, Raúl, decirle a Pepe cómo llegar a la casa. Okay, notice decir has an attachment to it, le. So to tell him to go to the house. Now, le is not a direct object pronoun and it's not a reflexive pronoun because it would have been se or some other pronoun instead of le. Le is an indirect object pronoun. This is one of those cases where they do the indirect object and the pronoun all in the same sentence, okay? So the question is, Raúl asks, ¿debo decirle a Pepe cómo llegar a la casa? Should I tell Pepe how to get to the house? Sí, dile a Pepe cómo llegar a casa. So we're practicing the irregular verbs as well. Dile, di is the command, le is to him, okay? Dile a Pepe cómo llegar a la casa. Número 3, Elena, hacer las tapas. Okay, Elena, to make the appetizers. Debo hacer las tapas. Should I make the appetizers? And what would the other friend say? Sí, haz las tapas. Okay, the tapas is actually a direct object, so you could actually say hazlas. Haz, H-A-Z, las attached to it because it's a positive command. Okay, las would take the place of tapas. It would be a pronoun. Número 4, Diego, venir a la casa a las 5. Diego is asking if he should come home at 5, okay? So the question is, debo venir a la casa a las 5? And what's going to be the answer? You're going to say yes. Sí, ven a la casa a las 5, okay? Número 5. Luisa poner la mesa, for Luisa to set the table. Luisa asks, ¿debo poner la mesa? And you say, sí, Pon la mesa. Now, la mesa is a direct object. So instead of pon la mesa, what else could you say instead of putting la mesa in there? What would it take its place? You could have said ponla. Okay, sí, ponla. Okay. Do activity number 6 through 10 in addition. And this one send with your homework for next week. Okay, send with your homework for next week. Okay, let's go to página 357, 357, okay? 357, 357, just on the other side. Using adverbs that end in mente. Go ahead and read all this, pause it to read it, and then come back. We are gonna do actividad 18, actividad 18, okay? In essence, the bottom line is mente is the same as ly in English. So if I go slowly, I go lentamente. Okay. If I am doing something intelligently, I say inteligentemente. If I'm doing something fast, rapidly, I would do rápidamente. Okay. So 18. ¿Cómo lo hacen? How do they do this? Todos hacen algo hoy. They all do something today. ¿Cómo lo hacen? How do they do it? We have several different adjectives there, and remember that another thing you gotta remember is whenever well, let's just say serio. Serio means what? Serious. Tranquilo means calm. Paciente, patient. Frecuente, frequent. Cuidadoso, careful. Rápido, fast. Lento, slow. Feliz, happy and fácil, easy. Okay, so the modelo says Carmen barrer el suelo. Carmen to sweep the floor. How's she gonna sweep it? ¿Cómo barre el suelo? I'm sorry, I'm not supposed to ask a question. Carmen barre el suelo rápidamente. Carmen sweeps the floor quickly. Luis hablar. Luis to speak. How does he speak? Luis habla, let's say he speaks slowly. So you would say lentamente. Remember, you take the feminine, if an adjective has a feminine side and a masculine side, you take the feminine form to make the adverb. You got to remember that. You would not say lentamente, you would say lentamente, okay? Mercedes, how does she work? Number 2. Mercedes trabaja. How does she work? Rápidamente. I would say she works fast. Álvaro, esperar. How does Álvaro wait? Álvaro espera. You gotta conjugate esperar according to Álvaro, right? And then pacientemente, patiently. Número 4, number 4. Jorge, terminar la tarea. How does Jorge finish his homework? I would say he does it carefully. So, Jorge termina la tarea cuidadosamente. Okay? Número 5, number 5. Beto y Marta, cantar. Beto and Marta, how do they sing? Do they sing seriously? Do they sing peacefully? I'd say peacefully. So, Beto y Marta, there's 2 people. We are going to say cantan, okay, because we got to conjugate cantar according to Beto y Marta. Tranquilamente, tranquilamente. Remember, we use the feminine adjective to make the adverb, okay? Do the rest of these also for your homework to hand in with next week's homework, not this week's, okay? And that's all for now.